Hey loves, what's up? I know some of y'all missed that. I'm back from hiking. I'm feeling good. I hiked for like an hour and a half. Y'all, it feels really, really good. But my scalp it needs some help. You guys know, I got scalp issues, okay? And so I am gonna be trying a new iteration of this conditioner that I've been using. I basically made my own conditioner. All right, it's customized specifically for me, but I'm gonna get in the shower, try this new iteration out, and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about my experience. I'm excited. It all started about a month and a half ago. I received an email from this guy named Nick, and he tells me about this cool new brand named Formulate, in which you can customize your own shampoo and conditioner. So I took a quiz, I let them know all about my hair, my routine, my goals, and a week and a half later, I had a package right at my fingertips, like, my precious. I cut that box right open to reveal my customized shampoo and conditioner. After admiring the packaging, I popped the pump right on and got to work. I hit a small bump in the road because I couldn't get the pumps to work.
The packaging is dope. The only problem is I can't get the pumps to work.
I text Nick and he solved my problem with a simple sentence. The pump works. I was turning it the wrong way. So you want to turn it clockwise, not counterclockwise. Note taken.
This shampoo feels really nice. Like nearly like a conditioner. Even the color reminds me more of the coloring that would come in a conditioner. And I know it's sulfate free as well. I almost had to look at the bottle again because I was like, did I just put conditioner on my hair by accident? But no, and it's foaming. This is impressive.
Compared to other shampoos, I will say that my scalp is not itching. It's not itching the way that it normally would be. So I'm impressed with that.
All right, I know the light's a little bit blown out. The sun is literally setting on me like a queen. I'm gonna do the conditioner now. And it's my son, he literally cannot leave me alone while I wash my hair. Okay, now here oh, shoot.
The conditioner needed some tweaking, so I worked with my chemist Tammy to get it just right. All right, my hair is finger detangled and I'm ready. I'm ready to get washing, I'm ready. Does anybody else love the feeling of water hitting your hair during wash day? It's so good. I have to say, I'm impressed by Tammy's ability to take direction. I asked her for a heavier formula that had more slip, and she delivered.
It feels really soft. It has like this very light feeling to it. Yay! All right, so I'm gonna continue with the rest of my routine, and I'll talk to you guys when I get out of the shower.
So I'm fresh out the shower, hair is washed, feeling very soft. And I think today I just want to do just a natural wash and go. So I'm gonna get myself together. Yes, I got my towel on.
Well, hello. Welcome, Zoe, to the building. I just like when my hair is in its natural 4C state. I am such a fan, and I just wanted to come and just give you guys my thoughts on Formulate. This, first of all, I love the packaging. The packaging is so dope. I love that it's black and white, very simple. I can see this just looking, I don't know, it just looks very clean inside the shower, and it has a very unisex feel to it. I got it a while ago. I've been using this product for a while because I really like to try things out. The shampoo is fantastic. I loved it from the beginning. I needed no reiterations on the shampoo. I've been using the same one all this time. I went through the quiz answering very specific needs for myself, like I have seborrheic dermatitis, so I needed something that would be really good on my scalp, and the shampoo is very, very good with that. I got no sensitivity, no irritation from the shampoo, so I was so happy about that. The conditioner, I did have to do a couple iterations of it. I really wanted it to be hydrating for myself, and I wanted to be able to really pull out my shed hair. It really gives your hair this very light and fluffy feel to it. It's a very, very light feeling that I feel like I really want to use for when I want to do a silk press and you want to have like that flow. I feel like this conditioner, like my iteration of the conditioner, would be so perfect for that. You can do cruelty-free, you can do no sulfates, no silicones. You can even customize it, like if you have blonde hair and you need it to kind of take away brassiness, you can customize the smell. And it's such a cool process. Like speaking with a chemist and, you know, having her translate all your needs. I really wanted to do this particular collaboration because it's unique. And I really want to do this for the person who either hasn't found the right shampoo and conditioner and would really love the sort of experience of customizing for themselves, but also for someone who's just interested and just wants to try something new, like me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just like trying new things, and I really wanted to see what that would be like. Could I formulate something that was right for my hair? Because at first I was like, what you mean you won't customize for me? What you mean? But I was able to just choose everything that I wanted. Like Tammy, who is my chemist, after a couple of days of me kind of using it, she reached out to me and she was like, how is it going? Is there anything that we need to tweak? And that is the same experience that you guys will have. This is a subscription model, and I think it will be really helpful for those of you who don't feel comfortable going outside right now. I really tried to like keep that in mind, and it comes in 3 different sizes for 3 different prices. So you can get a starter set size, 4 ounces for $19.95. You can get 8 ounces like mine for $39, or you can get a 14 ounce, which is almost double the size, for $49. I love that they have an entry level in case you're kind of like, I don't know, I want to try this, but I'm not sure. And you can cancel at any time if it just doesn't work out for you. So it's kind of, I don't know, it's very, very easy. Now, I am going to be hosting a giveaway as well. Not here in this video, but it will be on my community tab. So keep a lookout for the community tab because I will be hosting that giveaway there because I want to hook y'all up. I want to hook you up. So if you are interested in trying Formulate out, I'm going to put all of the links and all the information down in the description box. I really do recommend that you at least give it a try. I feel like this is something that a lot of people, especially if you're new natural, me personally, I'm just adventurous, so I want to try stuff like this. But if you're a new natural and you're like, and you're not too sure about what's like things you're supposed to have, and you're not really into like the science of porosity and density and coil and curl type and all of that, and you kind of just want something that is right for you without worrying about the rest of that stuff and how to shop for it, I think that this is a really, really great option. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I am going to be hosting a giveaway to help y'all out, so keep a lookout in the community tab for that. I'm not going to talk a lot about it here, but I hope that you guys do give it a try. I think that it's a really good option, and I'm excited. I'm excited to introduce you guys because y'all told me on Instagram that I think it was like 90-something% of you had never even heard about this brand. So, you know, big ups, big ups, big ups. So check the links down below. Check out my videos on the side here if you want to watch more, especially like hair routines and things like that. And I will talk to you in a little bit. Bye. Mwah.